Okay guys, quick update. Hopefully I'll be able to post these sometime soon. So we have started patching the walls in places. Let's see what else. We painted this wall, but I really and truly don't like the color. I know. So I took that gallon of paint back, exchanged it for a different one, and we're gonna paint this wall again. Actually, most of the walls will be painted, so make sure this door. Okay. Sorry, I'm getting ready to pack up for the day. We've been at this quite a bit the last couple of days. So I'll take you upstairs real quick because I gotta turn off the lights up here. Hopefully my phone keeps behaving and all the dust is... They were sanding this down because we're getting ready to paint. So, yeah, more stuff. I really hate this stuff right here. I really should replace it with drywall. But this is a rental, and I think as long as I can reattach that to where it should be, maybe I'll be okay. We'll have to see. I may have to get drywall up here. I really didn't want to do that, just because it wasn't really in the budget, but looks like I might have to. Anyhow, I'm running around turning off lights. Unfortunately, this light over here, it doesn't have a switch on the wall, so you have to walk all the way across up here, and I'm sure that's very dark on my phone, and then get down these somewhat steep stairs in order to get downstairs. I got just a couple more things I gotta pack up here. You see the bathroom, progress, toilets now in the tub. Of course, we are actually going to be moving some stuff around in here. We're hoping to take this wall out here and push it back, give this bathroom just a little bit more room. We'll have to see. See if the building inspector will okay it, get their building permit. So probably the biggest progress has been in the kitchen and laundry room. So we've almost got all of that nasty stuff off the floor. This floor, I actually just washed it, so it's still drying. So, yeah, I think that's probably one of the biggest improvements. You can probably see, well, maybe you can see the difference, I don't know. Yeah, it's, like I said, it's drying. So we still got to get a sander in here. We just still got to sand everything down. And after I get the rest of the stuff up. So that's how the little house is going. It's actually going pretty well. Just takes a lot of elbow grease to get something like this done. We have most of the ceiling out except for around the light. In the, I guess you would call it bedroom 1 here. And we will be putting drywall up. All they had was this, particle board stuff up there and some insulation. The good thing is that I don't believe that this is a load-bearing wall, but I will still have to check with the building inspector and stuff like that. Let's see, what else? We are still plowing away on the kitchen here. I think I've got roughly about half of the kitchen floor done. I've got this little section back here, and then I have to do that entryway there, and back in the pantry room I still have to do in there. But it's a slow process, but it works. So I'm just using this little steamer here. And yeah, I know it's a wallpaper steamer, and I just steam it, and then I scrape it off with my scraper. And that's how this is going. And there's no heat in the house, so there is a little heater running. Yeah, the back room here, I did scrub this, but my water, since I don't have the water turned on, my water got pretty dirty. So unfortunately, it kind of spread some of the dirt around, but it does clean up pretty nice. And I think I'm going to try to maybe sand back here tomorrow if I get the chance. And we'll see what it looks like after it's sanded. So, progress is being made. Yeah, oh, and if you're wondering about all that, I have some helpers and they found just about every little pinhole in the walls and filled them. So, anyways, that's okay though, because that's kind of what they needed. So, we will be painting here, I'm hoping, soon. Anyway, I hope everybody has a great day. Don't remember, yeah, that's great. Remember to like and subscribe, please. It's been a long day. Okay, yeah, that's it for now. See you later.